Well, unfortunately, my coffee plant has outgrown the coffee container that it's in, so time to give it a new pot. Sticking with red this time because I like it. So first things first, we gotta get it out of here. Because of the weird shape of this, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off because I don't see it's gonna pop out of there easily. Well, this isn't very sharp. Look at that. Really not sharp. It's not mine, all right? Not that my knife's super sharp right now either. I think it's like extra thick on this side. That's what she said. Cool. How do I get this ring thing off now? Handy dandy. Nope. Look at the handles from the pot. Right there. I'll put all this extra dirt in the bottom of this pot, because why not? Got a bunch of well-draining potting soil already mixed up, but it's probably not gonna be enough. Whoa. Let me see if I need to add more soil in here or if that's good. That's gonna be about right. So we want the crown of the plant, which is the very base of the plant where the trunk meets the roots, to be just under the rim of the pot, which it is right now. And then we're just gonna fill in all around it. I'm gonna add in some soil made from coffee, apparently. Somebody sent this to me, so I'll try it out with the coffee plant. Why not? Okay, so what's this mix? I've got Happy Frog potting soil here. This isn't gonna be enough for what I need, so I'm gonna mix the GeoJava with the Happy Frog. Coffee-based compost, Estonian peat moss, horticulture grade vermiculite, aged pine, and poultry meal. Sounds pretty good. Looks pretty good. So I'm gonna blend these together. Now I'm gonna throw in some plant success mycorrhiza. So those are gonna be beneficial bacteria and fungi that will bond with the plant's roots and help them out. Never measure this stuff. You just sprinkle it until your heart says, ya está. Now this might seem weird to you, but I'm mixing in azalea, camellia, and rhododendron food. And that's because azaleas, camellias, and rhododendrons like acidic conditions. So does coffee. So this fertilizer is designed to help acidify the soil a little bit, and it'll give it some fertilizer. So I'm gonna sprinkle some of that in there and mix it around. We want this coffee plant to grow and to actually fruit and flower and give me some coffee beans so I can make coffee. They will do it, but it'll probably be another couple years. Okay, now that that's ready, I'm just gonna backfill all around it. It's very heavy on that side. I'm gonna have to lean it a little like that. Better. I almost mixed up the exact perfect amount of soil. Look at this. See that? That was pretty close to the perfect amount of soil. All done. Check it out.